So we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hey friends, welcome back to another video of PowerBI Masterclass series. Now let's say I want to rank my customer, but the requirement is that my customer should be ranked based on two measures. So let's say I want to rank them based on total sales and the profit margin. So I'd like to see the customers with the highest amount of sales and the highest amount of profit margin, and that would be my top customer. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, here we have customer company. So let's add total sales here. So let's sort this in a descending order. You can see quick stop is sales ranking is one, so higher has the highest amount of sales. So let's add the sales ranking here. So let's create a measure here, which is simply the sales ranking. Sales ranking. I'll use rank X for ranking customers. Use all to remove any filters which is applied to the customer company column. And here in expression I will rank them by total sales in a descending order. Now let's click on enter. Now let's add this measure on this visual. So here we have sales ranking. You can see which is similar to this. So we have sales ranking. Let's create a profit margin. So now let's create a measure. So what is profit margin? Which is simply total profit by total sales. So let's do that. So here which is profit margin is equals to, I'll use divide function. I'll divide by total profit by total sales, and as an alternate result I'll provide 0. Now let's add this measure also in our visual profit, which is profit margin here. So let's format this profit margin. So let's click on this and format this as percentage. And let's, yeah, you can see here. Let's sort this. You can see here now 57% profit margin is generated by franchise SPA, but the total sales is less. So now what I want to do, I want to rank these customer based on this profit margin. So do that. Let's create a measure now, which is let's call this as profit ratio ranking. Profit ratio ranking. Profit ratio ranking. I'll use rank X again with all, and I'll use customer company, and I'll rank them by profit margin, and I'll rank them in descending order. So let's click on enter now. So let's add this on our visual. So you can see here the profit margin generated by the customers are ranked based on their profit margin. So what I want to do now, I want to sum up these ranks. So sales ranking and the profit ranking, and I'll get the customers based on their highest amount of profit margin and their highest amount of total sales. So let's do that. So let's sum them. So let's say this would be my total ranking. Total ranking. Say I'll rank sales ranking. Yes, I'll sum them by profit ratio ranking. Profit ratio ranking. Let's add this also in our visual. So where we have total ranking here. So you can see, let's sort this first. You can see here we got the total ranking, which is simply the sum of total this sales ranking and the profit ratio ranking. So 20 plus 11, which is 31, and 16 plus 19, which is 35, I guess. Now what I'll do, I'll remove this 31, 35, which are a bit confusing. I'll replace them by 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Let's do that. For that, I'll create a measure. Uh, let's say it is final ranking, and again I'll use rankx function, rankx, and again I'll use all and the customer company, and here I need to rank them by the total ranking of ranking, that is. And here I'll instead of descending, I'll order them in ascending order. Let's hit enter. Now let's add this where we have our ranking here. You can see the customer which has highest amount of total sales and the profit margin is Richler, that is Richter supermarket, and then we have Hilarion Apostrophes and their ranking also. So here you can see we have 10, 10, but we have 12. We got one item that is 11 to be skipped. Uh, to solve this issue, what I'll do, I'll go to this final ranking and I'll provide another argument which is sentence. Now you can see we got 11 now and 12 and we have 13. Then we have 14. So that's it for this video. Hope you will like this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.